Hello everyone, it's Youtooz here, back with another unboxing video. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing the Youtooz Godzilla vs. Kong Heat Ray Godzilla. Got this for my birthday of this year. Yeah, I know these came out in 2021 when Godzilla vs. Kong was popular back then, and still is. So, here's what it looks like. It's very small, so yeah, we're gonna open this up. Okay. Oh, okay. So guess it's for the holder. Okay. Let me rip that off real quick. Also, if you can see that I'm trying to transform this Optimus Prime right here, it's going a little well. Not really. I mean, it's my first Transformers figure, so yeah. At least I'm trying to learn from how to do it. But yeah. That's actually the Optimus Prime I got for Christmas of last year. But yeah, I'll deal with that later. So, that's actually really cool. Wow. But here's the box. Here's the side. The back, that's pretty cool. The other side, the top, and the bottom. Yeah. No tape on it. So, just open it like so. This got revealed in 2021, as I just said. There's like more, there's like a bunch more out there. I got this one. So. Oh, okay, so that's how it opens. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? This one goes on the top of my feet. Oh, that's pretty cool. In the back, it's like a background of a burning city. That's pretty cool. I'll just put it right there. That's gonna probably fall, but whatever. And here, it comes in this plastic shell. Gonna keep that. Here's the atomic breath. It's pretty cool. See-through. And get the main figure out. Godzilla. It's very nice. And put it right there. Hopefully this will go back in here just like so, and it went in perfectly. Good to know. Alright. Now put this back in here. And it's gonna go somewhere on my box shelf, which has a little bit of room left, but not a lot. Put it in there. And gonna keep it in there. Yeah. Put it over there. And wow, this is looking nice. Nice. I like the spikes. So, this will plug into its mouth, of course, by this little hole in there. You guys can see that. Yeah, that's where the atomic breath goes. And just put it in there, I guess. Yeah, did not come out right, but whatever. Let's push it in there, and there we go. That's very cool. I might just place this on my desk with some figures out on this side of me, which you cannot see. But anywho, but yeah, so that was this unboxing video. Pretty cute. I'd say it's pretty cute. Not gonna lie. That's just me. Anyway, so if you guys enjoyed this cringy unboxing video. Oh, my other ones are pretty cringy as heck, though. I hope I got that in there right. If not, then whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This cringy unboxing video. More is definitely going to come. There's more coming soon, hopefully. But yeah. So, as always, stay safe from the snow. It did snow here, by the way. So stay safe. I'm gonna still try to attempt transforming this guy. It's not going well, but at least I'm learning. I'm still kind of new to Transformers a little bit. I mean, it's my first Transformers figure, so I'm definitely learning from how to basically make them into the vehicle mode. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I hope it has good tomorrow, but whatever. So, as always, stay safe out there. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Toodles!